Winter weather hasn't delayed the progress at Lafayette Meadows Elementary. The new auxiliary gym's exterior is nearly completed, and the work will soon move inside the 5,000 square feet of new space. The new kindergarten rooms are framed, and the masonry work on the exterior of the cafeteria addition is underway. Hold on to your hard hats as Hagerman gives us a 3D perspective inside the new wing and largest portion of the project, the 12 classroom addition. As we travel the hallways, this virtual tour not only gives us a look inside at the new spaces, video like this will accompany the as-built report Saks receives from the contractors at the completion of the project. As-built drawings and reports supply critical information about the building, including the interior pipe, duct, and wire routing, as well as the electrical, control sensor, and valve locations. In other words, Saks will be able to see behind the walls long after the construction is completed. In the event of a future issue or maintenance needed, work can be more efficient and less disruptive by knowing exactly where things are and how they are connected and constructed. Seeing the new spaces, it's no longer a stretch of the imagination to see how the collaborative spaces and classrooms are built with efficiency in mind and are designed to inspire 21st century learning. Lafayette Meadows construction is set to be completed by the start of the 2019-2020 school year. Keep watching for further updates.